Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Men's World. In this video, I've come up to show you making of this beautiful thread work beads designing on the sleeves using the normal stitching needle. So let's quickly start with this designing. Firstly, we'll give the markings of 1 by 1 inch checks boxes of 2, and for the designing here I'd be using the chain ball lace of small size, also the medium size. So on these borders I'd be applying the glue to stick the chain ball lace first of small size. Next to this again medium size of chain ball lace and again chain ball lace. So this way we'll highlight the borders on either sides. The center line will be the single line of small size of chain ball lace. For that also I'd be applying the glue line in the center to stick this chain ball lace. And instead of chain ball lace you can also work out with stone lace or pearl lace, which will really gives rich and elegant look. All these materials which I have used for this designing is easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also the links provided in the description box. If you want you can check it. So you can clearly see here the borders has done and with the center line. Now we need to highlight this vertical lines of 1 by 1 inch, which I already cut the chain ball lace of this length. For that also I'd be applying the glue lines and sticking the chain ball lace. Both in these two lines I'd be sticking the chain ball lace. Step by step elaboration will makes your work easy to do. The square box will be filled using this semicircle golden bead joining in the center, followed with antique Zardozi to create the flower shape of 4 corners here. The antique Zardozi length is of 2 centimeters wide, and this way we have to create the 4 corners, that means 4 petals on these 4 corners. So inserting in the needle, creating like the loop like this, and at this tip we have to give the stitch. Using this as the reference, we will create the thread work designing in this flower only. That I'll show you. These square boxes will be filled, one with the flower and one empty, like that the continuation of the pattern will be continued. And as these are customized designs, you can turn it as per your own. If you don't want to have the empty of leaving this box in the center, you can continuously fill this with the flowers. For the thread work I'll be using here black color anchor thread of 12 strands, also size 60 number needle for the stitching. And like this we have to create the loop. Here the filling will be done using lazy daisy stitch. It's just so simple. The loop has to be created, and at this tip we have to give one more stitch so that it will be in place. Using the basic embroidering stitches we are creating this much of expensive designer patterns which are so simple, but we don't know how to do it. We are spending lot of money, isn't it? As I said before, the antique Zardozi will be created for the reference. Using that reference, the thread work will be followed. So in this thread work, we are using lazy daisy stitch to fill in the petals. And I hope this is clear to you all. Having any doubts, you can write them in the comment section. Ensure that the loops will have some space in between so that we'll work with the Zardozi next. And this way all the petals has to be filled using the lazy daisy stitch. Now next to this we have to use small size of gold Zardozi string followed with the sugar bead. Both I'd be inserting at a time in the needle. For this I'd be working with cotton silk thread and 9 number hemming needle. See here I have inserted both at a time, and like this we have to stitch in the center of these petals. This way the complete flowers has to be filled, and the size of this Zardozi string is very small. And at this tip I would be working with sugar bead. Instead of sugar bead you can also work with the pearls or any color beads which will reflect the pattern, emphasizing in different way. Hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you really like this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Final lookout would look like this. This would be the last one which I am making. the completed blouse would look like this. Following these instructions, you can also try this for your old blouses to turn into new designer blouses. Just remove the side stitches, fix the frame and follow these instructions. So friends, that's all for now. Hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Please do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more.